Hello everyone. This is Miss Vera coming to you once again with another book called If You Give a Dog a Donut. I don't know about you, but I don't think my dog likes donuts. If you give a dog a donut, he'll ask for some apple juice to go with it. When you give him the apple juice, then he'll drink it all up. Then he'll ask for more. There won't be any more left, so he'll want to make some on his own. He'll go outside to pick apples. When he's up in the tree, he'll toss you one. Throwing the apple will make him think of baseball. Then he'll want to play. You'll have to get a ball and a glove. And of course, you'll also need a bat. He'll ask you to pitch. Oh, he'll hit a home run. Yay! Then he'll do a happy dance to celebrate. Woohoo, woohoo! Dancing will make him hot and dusty, so he'll need some water. He'll probably start a water fight, and you'll have to dry him off with your bandana. He'll wrap it around his head and pretend that he's a pirate. Then he'll want to go on a treasure hunt. He'll find an old kite and want to make one himself. You'll have to get some sticks, paper, and string. When the kite is finished, oh, look at that kite, isn't it pretty? He'll want to fly it. It will go higher and higher until it gets tangled in the apple tree. The tree will remind him of apple juice, so he'll probably ask you for some. And chances are, if he asks you for some apple juice, you know what's coming next. He'll want a donut to go with it. The end. Well, I don't know about you all, but my dog does not like apple juice and he doesn't like donuts. He likes everything else, but he don't like that. Well, until next time. Bye.